Thanks for taking time to watch our videos today. We are going to be making some maple cotton candy. Actually, it's organic maple cotton candy. It is absolutely delicious. So stick around, watch what we're going to do. As always, if you guys like what you're seeing, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Share with a friend, that's always great too. I can't tell you what you do on Facebook. Comment? Oh, I'm not a good Facebook guy, my wife is, but I am not. So stick around, watch what we're doing. We hope you enjoy it. More guns going off. It's the concealed weapons class that happened here this morning. They're doing the shooting portion this afternoon. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. Make our cotton candy, we want to make sure we have everything set up so that when it's happening, we're not inefficient. Maybe that's one way to put it. So what we're trying to do is make as much as we can in as short amount of time as we can, because when we're done, we're going to look like a Yeti. So as we get ready to make maple cotton candy, it goes a lot faster when certain things are done. One of the things is making sure we've got these little wire ties all separated. So we're going to separate these guys right here. We're also going to get all of our bags set up so that when the cotton candy comes off, we're ready to bag and keep moving. So I don't know how many we're going to make today. We got a whole big bowl, probably 10-15 pounds of sugar. We've never made that much, so I have no idea how much we're really going to make, but we're going to have fun doing it. Be cotton candy everywhere, and so the camera is going inside for the moment. So let me show you what we got right here. Right here you're seeing our bowl, our little ties, our cotton candy machine, and our bags. We have our gloves, and then in a minute it's going to fire up. We'll go ahead and fire it up now. We've already put all of our candy into there. So all our candy's already inside, so all we have to do now is hit the button. It goes to the balance. And then now, we turn the heat on. Right there. So we got the heat on the max. We're going to turn the heat down just a little bit. That's not too bad, we'll get a little bit less. So, now we're going to make some cotton candy. So guys, we're finished making our cotton candy, and now we're going to take it over to the Highland Center in Highland County, Virginia, which is where we live in Highland County. Actually, the Highland Center is in Monterey, Virginia, which is the town in our county. So we're going to go to the Highland Center. We're going to donate this cotton candy to them, and they're going to raise some money for the Highland Center. So that's the goal for today. Anyway, thanks for taking time to watch our video. We really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want some cotton candy, you can always go to millgatfarms.com and we can send you some cotton candy. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless everybody. Maple cotton candy. Correction. Organic maple cotton candy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day. God bless you.